The views are not too bad either.
Sorry?
The views aren't too bad actually once you get out that way. If you like countryside. Not too many trees, but
Mate, even on those roundabouts, coming around those roundabouts, because they're all off camber, I'm scraping the peaks going around the roundabout.
you don't have enough angle on that bike.
Pardon?
The bike doesn't have enough angle, does it?
Oh, it's probably not built to clean it over,
Oh dear.
Don't lean over like you guys can.
Yeah. Well, I haven't scraped the peak yet.
Sorry?
I haven't scraped the peak yet, but I'm not really planning to either.
Oh.
Just noticed that. Well, I know I've had them off before, but I don't think I would have forgot to put it back on.
Had this off?
Yeah, I've had this off.
Oh.
Installing the heated grips.
Vibrated out.
I'd be surprised, but then at the same time I'd be surprised if I forgot. Oh. Well, I haven't done it up tight enough. Yeah, I got some tools in the back.
What we do get us go back.
Yeah. I mean, it doesn't have that much extra tightness to go. Is that why you've moved the bars on me?